Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video, we have a job update on this hiring challenge. So this is sponsored by the Talent Titan. So with the partnership of two companies, that is Bounteous as well as the Accolite. So it's an hiring challenge in which it's a virtual campus drive for the 2025 as well as 2026 graduates, and they have multiple open positions. So the first open position, it's a software engineer, and the next thing is the data engineer, and they're looking for the talent acquisition intern, and then software engineering, so it's for the Salesforce marketing cloud, and the other thing is the software engineering test, so for the testers. So these are the five different open positions. So this is conducted with the partnership of two companies, so the Bounteous as well as the Accolite. So it's an hiring challenge which is open for 2025 as well as 2026 batches. So you can go about the company in detail about this. We have the website, so the official website link. So you can go to that, and these are the open positions as discussed. So for the software engineer, so you can just click on more details, like you'll be getting the complete details about this job application. So for the software engineer, one should have one should be pursuing the B or B Tech or ME or M Tech or even MSc in computer science, MC or related fields. And also there is a percentage criteria of minimum 60% or 6 CGPA, and there should be no active backlogs in order to apply for this particular role. So the skill sets are like one should have the knowledge on C++, Java or the Python, and the location for this, it's a Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai or any other India offices. So these are the details about the first role, that is software engineer. So if you wish to apply, like if your skills are matching for this, you can just click on apply now. So below is the application link for everything. So you can just enter your first name, last name, your email address, contact details, then the gender and the college name and the year of passing. So 2025 as well as 2026, only these two batches are eligible to apply. And the course name, so we have multiple courses, the pursuing graduation, and the streams as well as the preferred skills, you can apply for multiple roles. So it's your wish, and make sure that each time when applying you can just update your resume with the skills whatever they have mentioned. So based on that you can apply for the software engineer. Also we have multiple roles, like if you have knowledge on C++ programming, you can choose that, or if you're good in Java, you can go with the Java. If you know the Python, so you can go with software engineer Python. So it is up to you. You can choose any of this based on your skills. Or if you are good in testing, you can just choose the testing and you can apply for that role. So don't apply for more than three jobs, like it might be rejected. So you can apply for one or two based on your skill sets. And joining availability like November 2025 as well as Jan 2026. So you can choose this, and then if you are available for both of the months, you can select both the options. It's not a problem. And then you need to upload your updated resume, and then just go to the terms and conditions, and you can just check box this and you can just submit the application form. So this is it's the same application form for all of these. So this was about the first role, and then coming to the second role, so it's for data engineer. So here are the details, like one should be pursuing the B or B Tech or ME or M Tech or MSc in computer science or the MCA, and the streams eligible are either CS or IT and the circuit branches, and same the CGPA with this, it's like 60% or 6 CGPA, and there should be no active backlogs. And the skill sets like knowledge on database, SQL, Python programming, then knowledge on Java or Scala is needed. And the work location for this is also same, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai or any other India offices. So like if we have the offices for both of the companies, it can be Accolite or the Bounteous, like whichever India offices are there, you can choose any of the location based on your comfort. And then the third thing, so the application link it's the same, so it's the same form. You can just fill this and you can choose the roles accordingly. And the third one is the talent acquisition intern. So these are the education is that you should have been pursuing the MBA or BBA graduation, and year of passing it's a 2025 or 2026, and the one should be interested in the HR related functions. So the skill sets like recruitment and HR functions, good in communication skills and interpersonal skills. And the location for this, so there are three different locations. The first thing is Bangalore, Gurgaon as well as the Chennai. And coming to the next role, that's the software engineer, Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So for this, you can just go to this job details. So for this, one should be pursuing B or B Tech, MA or M Tech or MSc in either computer science or IT, and also the MCA graduates. So for this also the minimum cutoff percentage, it should be 60% or 6 CGPA throughout, and there should be no active backlogs. And the skill sets for this, as they're looking for the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you need to have knowledge on that. Then TML and CSS scripting and the AMP script, and these are the details like skill sets required for this. And the work location for this, so they have only openings in Chennai, so based on that you can apply. And the last role is the software engineer test, so it's for testing role, and for that the eligibility criteria is that you need to be pursuing B or B Tech, MA or M Tech or MSc in computer science or IT, as well as MCA graduates are eligible for this. And there is no any percentage criteria for this, anyone can apply. And the skill sets are that one should have the knowledge about testing, good in C++ programming, ASP.NET, JavaScript, XML and SQL, as well as the HTTP, SQL and the OOPS programming. And these are the overall skill sets for this role. And the work location for this is that the Bangalore, Gurgaon and any the as mentioned the Accolite as well as this Bounteous company offices, wherever they have their India offices, you can work from there. So these are the complete details about this. So to find more about the contest, you can just click here. You will be getting the complete details about that. So the process guidelines, eligibility criteria, everything. You can just go through this. And also they have mentioned their hiring process. The first step is that you are going to fill the application form. So this simple form, you can just add all the details and you can fill the application form. So based on your resume and everything, so if you are shortlisted, they are going to send you the link for the first round, the round one, which will be the technical assessment. So post registration, so you'll be receiving an email to your registered mail ID, and also the complete assessment details, the date and time slot for the assessment. And this assessment, there will be some deadlines, you can take that with the link and the credentials they have provided to the mail. And once you complete the round one assessment, so based on the score, you will be eligible for the round two. So the round two will also be, there will be another technical assessment, and then the round three. So there will be as this is the challenge with the partnership of two companies, Bounteous and Accolite. So that particular team, they will review your profile, your assessment marks, reports, everything, and based on the score they are going to shortlist you for the virtual interviews. So then the next step will be the interview process. So this interview process, it might take at least 3 to 4 weeks, and then which may include 2 to 3 rounds of technical, so 2 to 3 rounds technical rounds as well as HR round. So there might be 1 or 2 technical rounds followed by HR rounds. So these are the complete details about the selection process. So based on that, so you'll be getting the offer letter and then the complete details about joining and all, and everything it will be completed based on your availability. like um, as the November it's about to end, so you can just select the Jan 2026. So at least it will take at least 1 month to complete all the registration process, all the rounds and everything. So based on your skill sets and everything, you can upload your updated resume and you can just apply for this challenge. So the link for this, it will be provided in the description. So you can go through you can go through each roles everything, and then you can apply for these roles accordingly. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.